What?
I have one from Mom too.
Who gave me these?
Santa.
Santa was your birthday, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Wow.
I don't know if they fixed or not.
Did you Paul get new gloves?
I thought you might be shoveling snow for you.
Wow. These will be snow clearing gloves.
Yeah.
Nice.
They fit?
Yeah, they do. Thanks, Mom.
Oh, how cute!
Well, that's for your fairy garden.
My fairy garden.
How fun!
Add to my fairy garden.
Cold out. Yeah, I gotta wear these when it's cold
Oh,
out.
how cute! Look. Scott, look for my fairy garden.
Oh, nice.
Acorn.
Yeah, from Grandma.
What?
Yeah, they're from Grandma Blaisdell.
Yes. It's an acorn for my Gigi's fairy garden outside in the sun.
What you doing down there, Hadassah?
Nice, huh?
What are you doing?
See, this is for Gran. Both of these. Can you carry those to her? Can you get through
Whoa,
there?
you're strong.
Oh, what do you got? Oh, some more. Thank you. Scott and Diane, geez, you kind of went crazy, didn't you? Or should we open it?
And then Mommy and Daddy. Oh, Mom, thanks. I love to watch these grow. These amaryllis, Lindsay.
Yeah.
You've ever got one and watched it go? They're fun to watch. Thank you.
Are you being a big helper, Hudson?
He's helping me.
Look at that bag.
Can we get it open? Let's do this one first. Hey, let's see what it is. Can we get it open? Oh, wait a minute. We got tape there. Gotta get the tape off.
These are for Hudson, too, and Hadassah.
Oh, wow.
What is it, Graham?
You
You're
know.
going to need those when you get
Yes,
home.
they will.
Oh, is that cute?
Hudson, look, this is for you for shoveling snow.
Thank you.
No,
And one for
Dad's
Hadassah.
Wow.
Say thank
Medium.
you.
I have a gift tag in there.
Say
The
thank
medium will be
you.
fine.
Shovel
Oh,
up
that's
that
pretty.
wrapping paper.
It's a good color for you.
I like that. Wow.
Are you shoveling up the wrapping